Our brains are incredibly powerful, complex, and dynamic systems that shape our perceptions, emotions, and behaviors. However, they can also hold us back from reaching our full potential. One key reason for this is how our brains respond to negative thoughts and emotions. The negativity bias is a fundamental aspect of human psychology, meaning our brains are more attuned to negative experiences, thoughts, and emotions than positive ones. This bias is rooted in our evolution, where recognizing potential threats was crucial for survival. While this was beneficial to our ancestors, it can hinder our progress and well-being in modern times. When we experience negative thoughts or emotions, our brains release stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, triggering a fight or flight response. This response, while designed to be temporary, can lead to chronic consequences such as anxiety, depression, and decreased motivation when negativity persists. Fortunately, our brains are not fixed. Through neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt, we can rewire them to focus on positivity, creativity, and success. Neuroplasticity is driven by the growth of new neurons and the formation of new connections between them, which are influenced by our experiences, thoughts, and emotions. By cultivating positive thoughts and behaviors, we strengthen neural pathways associated with happiness, resilience, and motivation. Think of the brain's neural networks as a complex highway system. The more we travel certain routes, the more efficient they become. Conversely, unused routes fade away. By practicing positive thinking, mindfulness, and self-compassion, we create new neural pathways that support well-being and success. Research also shows that our brains can compensate for damaged or underdeveloped areas. This concept, known as compensatory neuroplasticity, highlights the brain's adaptability. Understanding these brain dynamics empowers us to take control of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By recognizing the negativity bias and harnessing neuroplasticity, we can transform negative self-talk into positive affirmations, replace fear and anxiety with confidence and resilience, cultivate creativity and innovation, enhance problem-solving abilities, develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges and learning from failures. The first step to rewiring your brain for success is identifying the limiting beliefs that hold you back. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts, assumptions, or attitudes that constrain your potential and hinder your progress. They often operate beneath the surface of conscious awareness, influencing your emotions, behaviors, and decisions. To identify your limiting beliefs, reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Pay attention to your inner dialogue, especially when faced with challenges or setbacks. Notice any negative self-talk, self-doubt, or catastrophic thinking that may arise. Common limiting beliefs include, I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed, I'm too old, young to achieve my goals, I'm not smart, talented, experienced enough, I'll always struggle with a specific area. Though these beliefs may seem harmless, they can significantly impact your life by sabotaging your confidence and motivation, creating anxiety and stress, limiting your creativity and innovation, straining relationships and communication, holding you back from pursuing opportunities. To challenge these limiting beliefs, write them down and critically examine them by asking yourself, is this thought really true? Is there another way to look at this? What evidence do I have for this belief? Would I say this to a friend? This process of introspection and self-inquiry helps you recognize distorted or exaggerated thinking, reframe negative thoughts into positive affirmations, develop a more balanced and realistic perspective, build self-awareness and emotional intelligence. For instance, if you believe, I'm not good enough, challenge this belief by listing your strengths and accomplishments, seeking feedback from trusted mentors or peers, reframing the thought as, I'm capable and continuously learning. By challenging your limiting beliefs, you'll begin to break free from negative thought patterns, cultivate a growth mindset and resilience, develop a more optimistic and hopeful outlook, enhance your self-esteem and confidence. Identifying and challenging limiting beliefs is an ongoing process that requires patience, self-compassion, and persistence. As you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you'll develop greater emotional regulation, improve your relationships and communication, increase your creativity and problem-solving skills, achieve greater success and fulfillment. To further reinforce this process, consider the following strategies. Keep a thought journal to track your limiting beliefs. Share your struggles with a trusted friend or mentor. Practice mindfulness and meditation to increase self-awareness. Celebrate your successes and accomplishments. Rewiring your brain for success requires intentional effort and practice. Fortunately, several powerful techniques can help you achieve this transformation. Let's dive into 3 essential methods to get you started on your journey. Positive self-talk is a fundamental technique for rewiring your brain. Our inner dialogue profoundly impacts our emotions, behaviors, and outcomes. By replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you can shift your mindset and cultivate confidence. Negative self-talk often stems from deep-seated fears, doubts, and limitations. While these thoughts can be overwhelming, you have the power to challenge and replace them. Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue, especially when faced with challenges or setbacks. Notice the negative patterns and reframe them into positive affirmations. For instance, replace "I'll never succeed" with "I'm capable and deserving of success." Repeat these affirmations regularly, especially during moments of self-doubt. This consistent practice will help rewire your brain, fostering a positive and empowering mindset. Visualization is another potent technique for rewiring your brain. This involves imagining yourself achieving success and overcoming challenges. Through vivid mental imagery, you can reprogram your brain to focus on positive outcomes. Find a quiet, comfortable space to relax and close your eyes. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, overcoming obstacles, and feeling triumphant. Use all your senses to bring the scenario to life. See yourself succeeding, hear the applause, feel the excitement, and smell the sweetness of victory. Regular visualization practice can boost motivation and confidence, enhance creativity and problem-solving skills, improve focus and concentration, reduce stress and anxiety. Mindfulness is the 3rd essential technique for rewiring your brain. This involves focusing on the present moment, letting go of distractions, and cultivating awareness. Mindfulness practice helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. To incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, start with simple exercises. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observing its rhythm and depth. Notice your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without judgment. Practice mindful movement, such as yoga or Tai Chi. Engage your senses, savoring the sights, sounds, and smells around you. By combining positive self-talk, visualization, and mindfulness, you'll create a powerful synergy that rewires your brain for success. Consistency is key. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes. As you rewire your brain, you'll experience profound shifts in your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. You'll become more resilient in the face of challenges, confident in your abilities, creative in problem solving, focused on your goals, compassionate toward yourself and others. Remember, rewiring your brain is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and self-compassion. By committing to these techniques, you'll unlock your full potential and achieve success. To further reinforce your progress, consider the following strategies. Incorporate gratitude practices, focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Seek supportive relationships and mentorship. Celebrate small wins and acknowledge milestones. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Building resilience is essential to achieving success in any endeavor. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from setbacks, overcome obstacles, and adapt to changing circumstances. It's the ability to navigate life's challenges with confidence, poise, and determination. By cultivating resilience, you'll develop the mental and emotional toughness required to achieve your goals. One of the most significant barriers to resilience is our relationship with failure. Many of us view failure as a catastrophic event, a reflection of our inadequacy or incompetence. However, this perspective is not only limiting but also inaccurate. Failure is an inevitable part of growth, innovation, and progress. To build resilience, it's crucial to reframe failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. This mindset shift allows you to extract valuable lessons from setbacks, identify areas for improvement, develop creative solutions, enhance problem-solving skills. Reframing failure requires intentional effort and practice. When faced with setbacks, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I improve next time? What opportunities arise from this challenge? By reframing failure, you'll transform your mindset and develop a growth-oriented approach to challenges. Another vital strategy for building resilience is focusing on progress. Celebrating small wins and acknowledging progress helps maintain momentum, motivation, and confidence. This approach boosts morale and enthusiasm, provides a sense of accomplishment, encourages incremental growth, enhances self-awareness. To focus on progress, adopt the following habits. Set achievable milestones and celebrate their attainment. Maintain a progress journal or log. Share successes with supportive friends or mentors. Reflect on how far you've come. Surrounding yourself with support is the third critical strategy for building resilience. Positive, supportive people can offer valuable guidance and advice, provide emotional comfort and encouragement, foster a sense of belonging and connection, inspire creativity and innovation. To build a supportive network, nurture relationships with positive, like-minded individuals. Join communities or groups aligned with your interests. Seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Participate in networking events. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you'll develop the resilience needed to overcome obstacles and achieve success. Additional techniques to enhance resilience include practicing self-care and stress management, developing problem-solving and adaptability skills, cultivating gratitude and positivity, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember, resilience is not an innate trait. It's developed through practice, patience, and persistence. By committing to these strategies, you'll enhance your ability to cope with adversity, boost your confidence and motivation, improve your overall well-being, achieve greater success and fulfillment. Rewiring your brain for success is a transformative journey that requires dedication, persistence, and patience. The rewards are immeasurable. By incorporating the strategies outlined in this video, you'll unlock your full potential, achieve greater success, and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, you have the power to change your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This realization is both empowering and liberating. It means that you're not bound by your past experiences, limited by your current circumstances, or defined by your fears and doubts. As you embark on this journey, keep in mind that progress may not always be linear. You may encounter setbacks, face challenges, and experience moments of self-doubt. But don't let these obstacles discourage you. Instead, learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth. The key to rewiring your brain is consistency and persistence. Start with small, manageable changes to your daily routine and gradually build upon them. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem, and acknowledge your progress. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage and believe in you. Seek out mentors, coaches, or role models who embody the qualities you aspire to develop. Most importantly, be kind to yourself throughout this journey. Rewiring your brain is a process, not a destination. Don't expect perfection. Instead, focus on progress. As you continue to grow and develop, remember that success is not solely defined by external achievements. True success encompasses inner peace and happiness, meaningful relationships and connections, personal growth and self-awareness, purpose and fulfillment. By rewiring your brain for success, you'll experience profound shifts in all areas of your life. You'll become more confident and self-assured, resilient and adaptable, creative and innovative, focused and motivated, compassionate and empathetic. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has inspired and empowered you to take control of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and success. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to personal development and success. Together, let's unlock our full potential and achieve greatness. Additional resources. Check out our playlist on mindfulness and meditation for stress reduction and relaxation. Download our free ebook on goal setting and achievement.